Hello everyone, what's up? This is Tanisha and you're watching Math Magic with Tanisha. And today we will do exercise 5.2 of our chapter Arithmetic Progression. We have already done exercise 5.1 till now and we already know the basic concepts. And now we are going to do question number 1 of this exercise. So here you can see this box. In this box, first term is given to you, common difference is given to you, n means number of term is given to you, and nth term is given to you. So in some questions they are given nth term, and in some questions common difference is missing. So this way you have to find the missing values. Whatever value is not given, you have to find that. Okay. So let's begin with the first question. So in the first part, you can see first term is given, common difference is given, and a number of term is given, and we have to find the nth term. Okay, we have to find the nth term. So how will we do it? So first of all, we know A, we know A, we know D, we know N. So what is nth term? Nth term का general form क्या होती है? I have told you that it is A plus n minus 1 multiply D. So here A is 7, n is 8, minus 1, D is 3. So this way 7 plus 7 into 3, which is 21. So your nth term will be 28. In second part, what is not given? D. So we have to find D. So what we know, nth term is 0. So again we know this formula, an equals to A plus n minus 1 multiply D. So put all the values. N is not given to you, nth term is given to you, which is 0, put its value. Then A is minus 18 plus n is 10 minus 1 multiply D. So here we will find D now. So this minus 18 will become 18, 10 minus 1 is 9, 9D. So D, this way D is equals to 2. Third part में we have to find first term. So again we will use the same formula. Now find the put the nth term minus 5. A we have to find, n is 18 minus 1, D is minus 3. So minus 5 equals to A plus 17, and 17, this plus minus is minus, and 17 3s are 51. Okay, 17 3s are 51, and this plus minus is minus. Now take this here. So A equals to 51 minus 5. So A की फाइनल वैल्यू क्या आ गई? 46. A की वैल्यू क्या आ गई? 46. Now we will do part 4. Now in fourth part, again we will put the formula an equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. So nth term is 3.6, A is minus 18.9, n minus 1, D is 2.45. So 3.6 plus 18.9 equals to n minus 1 multiply 2.5. So यहाँ पर आप इसे ऐड करेंगे तो क्या आएगा? 22.5, एंड फिर इसे 2.5 से हम डिवाइड करेंगे इक्वल्स टू n माइनस 1. इसको आप कैंसिल करेंगे तो क्या आएगा? 9. सो 9 इक्वल्स टू n माइनस 1. सो n इक्वल्स टू 10. सो n की वैल्यू क्या आ गई? 10. दिस पे फिफ्थ पार्ट भी हो जाएगा. यहाँ पे nth टर्म फाइंड करनी है, विच इज A प्लस n माइनस 1 इंटू डी. A क्या गिवन है हमें? 3.5. तो पुट है 3.5 प्लस n माइनस 1, 105 माइनस 1, D is 0. ठीक है, d इज़ 0। तो यहाँ पे nth टर्म क्या हो जाएगी, ये तो 0 हो जाएगा पूरा, 3.5 हो जाएगी। ठीक है, ये हो गया हमारा आंसर। सो दिस वे आवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज डन।